wine studio. We were processing some beautiful Merlot in the Carlson Vineyard in Oliver, BC. Very nice fruit, right? Delicious. What do you think about the fruit, Jim? You like it? Pretty tasty?
Good.
Right on, man. What do you think about the fruit? You
amazing.
grow it, it's all your fault. Yeah, very good. So we have the farmers here in our midst. Hey, Robin! Smile for the camera. He grew it. It's all his fault. Over to the Crusher December. And Josh here is manning the pump, keeping things flowing nice. Into the tank, into the winery safe and sound for a nice 20-day fermentation. A little oak dust, a little enzyme, some nice yeast, and bingo, we have some Merlot.